YouTube, what's goody? It's your boy Southside Nate, and we back with another episode of the Box Chevy build. Yeah, it's official. We finally get back over here working on summer rain. I got a new starter, fuel pressure regulator, fuel filters. Got me some new fuel lines, the battery charged. What I'm about to do now is go ahead and get this old fuel lines off. I think I can leave the feed line how it is, just put the new filter in that spot, but I do have to run a line from the fuel pressure regulator all the way to the return. I think I gotta make another little piece of line to come out the other side of the fuel pressure regulator to hook up to the fuel rail. So yeah, I ain't gonna do too much more talking, man. I gotta move some wires and stuff out my way up here. And I'm gonna get down there, snatch the old stuff off, and we figure out how we're gonna run this new stuff, man. Let's get it. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, YouTube, I got the fuel pressure regulator on, but it's leaking fuel from one side over there. I'm gonna redo that little line, but for the most part, fuel pressure about where it need to be. It's dropping because that leak in that line. Let me turn it off. But I gotta go get ready for work, so I'm gonna call it a day right now. I'm gonna redo that line tonight when I get off work, and I cut y'all on tomorrow when we back over here to fire this baby up. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube, it's the next day. I took that hose home. I got that baby figured out. I ain't get it figured out at home. I just finished getting that little leak fixed over there on that small hose I got coming from the regulator. Sound like I need to put some more gas in. See it going down. I know one thing, that starter that I got on there now is doing a way better damn job than that first starter I had. I don't know, she still ain't firing up though. Getting the correct fuel pressure. Ain't got no more fuel leaks. Now I can cross that off the list. See what else it can be. Make sure everything was connected before I try starting it. But she still ain't catching fire. Yeah, I made sure the crank sensor was connected when I put the starter on. Cam shaft sensor. Yeah, she connected. Oil temp, yep. Oil pressure, she connected. But yeah, man, I'm still troubleshooting. Ain't no more leaks up here though. It was leaking from that hose right there. I caught hell making that little bitty hose. It go from the fuel pressure regulator to the fuel rail. It kept leaking. The return line ain't leaking, ain't none of them leaking now. But yeah, this starter damn sure doing a better job at trying to start it. It don't sound crazy as hell like it used to with the other starter. With that what they call them, the mini torques or whatever they call. That thing just, I ain't like the way that shit sound off the rip. Now that I got this one and just put that one on, it's just a regular stock type starter for like an Escalade. Now that I don't put that one on, it don't sound nothing how it used to sound when how it first sounded when I was trying to start it. It just made me think that starter was fucked up off the rip. Nothing leaking. Oh. I just like to check everything as I go, just to make sure all two sensors still connected. Oh. I don't know what's next, but I am officially back working on this baby, so I'm about to get the troubleshooting, figure out as much as I can figure out before this video ends, and fingers crossed that we get this baby to fire up. But right now she ain't making no noise. She turning over real good, sound way better turning over than it did the first go round of me trying to start it. I just think that other starter just, I don't know, she just won't acting right. A lot of people in the comments was like, yo, get rid of that shit, try to start starter. But these shits right here, I mean, look at the sticker on that bitch melted. Like this shit right here, I don't know. Just the way it sound when I was trying to start the car, I ain't like. Come on, baby. don't know, I'm about to put y'all down here so y'all can see what that flywheel and stuff doing. I'm talking about y'all so we can see. I can't start the motherfucker up and look at that at the same time. It'll be nice if I had some light down here. It was bright yesterday. It was pretty decent up under here now. Shit. It's still in a good view. And this GoPro right here ain't. But I can tell from right here that the teeth not getting stuck. Like on the other starter. Damn, Cletus. Yeah, I ain't got nothing to sit it on. And this GoPro ain't got no gimbal. Let's see if I can lean this a little bit more. Yeah, that might work. Hopefully she don't fall. So we can see what it's doing when I try to start it. Alright, the battery getting weak. Oh, what was going on down here, YouTube? Yeah, so the starter is definitely disengaging the way it's supposed to. See, my fucking oil filter oily. What the hell leaking? Why my oil filter so damn oily? Ain't nothing close, no wires close to that flex. Alright. I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh. Y'all hear that, YouTube? What y'all see? What y'all see? Y'all gotta be my eyes now. But yeah, she sounded like she wanted to do something a few times. Trying not to kill the battery. Go check these lines again. Trying not to kill the battery. Yep, dry. Dry. Yeah, everything dry, ain't nothing leaking. She damn sure act like she wanna start, man. Stretching my head. I gotta go get the keys in a second. Fuel pressure regulator, regulating, ain't nothing leaking. That new starter that I put on there seems to be performing wonderfully, especially compared to that other one. If y'all remember from me when I did the live video and I dropped that video of me trying to do the first start off the rip, that starter sounded horrible. Like it just was not, it just wasn't right. I know a lot of y'all be asking me like, yo, what's up with the box? What's up with the box? I really don't be wanting to post no video if I ain't making no progress. And me trying this and it's not starting, really ain't no progress in my brain. So it's like me uploading a video, another video of it not starting. You get what I'm saying? But I know y'all be wanting to update, so I'm gonna give y'all the update. I am gonna come back over here tomorrow and see what else I can figure out on it. I don't want to just upload the video with this and go home and do some more research so I can cross that off the list. I know a lot of guys were saying something about timing and all that good stuff, but I'm about ready to just finish piecing this baby together and take it to somebody. Let's go ahead and get all my stuff in here wrapped up, get my wires and my computer and everything hid and ran the way I want them to, get all my stuff in the inside the way I need it to be. I can go ahead and put all my interior panels back on. But then I want to find somebody and probably know more about these LS engines and this Holly shit and just let them get my shit running. Dog, we at the end of May, we pushing June. I'm ready to ride, dog. I'm ready to ride. I ain't even gonna hold you. Alright, YouTube. It's the next day. Did a little troubleshooting. I swapped around some wires on the cam sensor. To test that out. I know I've seen a lot of guys on these forums and stuff, the Holly forums, the LS swap forums, say something about switching the two outside wires on the cam sensor. So I just tried that. Oh, I just switched it. I ain't tried to start it yet. We about to give it a try. Fuel pressure built up. Alright, once again, man, she act like she want to do it, then she just don't. I think it's a way I can test them sensors, make sure they getting the right voltage or the right signal to them. I think I need to go ahead and do that. And I know a lot of people say something about timing. Get to the timing, I'm gonna have to break a lot of stuff down, so I'm just trying to eliminate as much as I can before I have to take that front cover back off and check the timing and top dead center and all that. I have to break all this back down. Just trying to cross as much off the list before I have to go that route. I know somebody was saying swap my coils, harnesses. I might even try that. These coil harnesses are old too. They came off the old engine, so it would be nice to get some new ones, huh? I was planning on keeping them and just opening them up and redo the tape and the loom myself, just make it neater. All right, switch them around. Let's try it. All right. All right, so far what I did today was I switched the coil harnesses. I just did that. I noticed both of them got like a little sticker on it with a part number. They got the exact same part number. I don't know if that means any damn thing. But so what I did today so far, switched the coil harnesses, and I switched the wire on the back on the camshaft sensor. I swapped the two outside wires. I just depinned the connector, swapped them. It's a damn spider on the GoPro. Get your monkey ass out of here. Where the fuck you go? But yeah, that's what I've done so far. Each time it sounds like she want to do something, she just ain't doing it. I told you, I'm trying to do as much as I can before I start tearing this thing back down and check the time and make sure everything lined up, top dead center and all that good stuff. Which I know for a fact that it did before, but it won't hurt to backtrack to make sure again. Now that I don't switch these, I'm thinking, should I switch the wire back on the camshaft? Should I switch that back right quick and try to start it again? I don't know. Switch them back right quick. Try it again. I don't know, YouTube. I'm trying my best to figure this out myself, man. Trying my best to figure it out myself. Everything connected. Injectors connected, everything connected, man. I don't know why she ain't spitting fire. I don't know. Keep that over there to the side. Alright, so I just swapped them back. Damn, water hit me right in the head. Swap them back. We can try it again. It sounds the same with them either way to me, honestly. Sound like it's gonna start with them either way, so. Alright, she still ain't doing nothing, YouTube. Camera cut off. It's hot out here. So yeah, I'm gonna be honest, with the ignition cord, with the coils harness switch, sound the same. Switch that wire on the back of the cam sensor, sound the same. A couple times they act like it want to fire up though. She got good grounds. Everywhere that is grounded at is bare metal. On both the frame, engine, the firewall, engine, everything got good ground connections. I know that'd be one of the main comments I get. She getting spark. She definitely getting sparked. It's getting fuel. I guess the last thing I ain't checked that everybody been throwing out there is timing. So I guess I'm gonna have to bust her back down and see what I got that timer set on. Get this baby to top dead center. Alright, YouTube. Been out here trying to do a little bit of straightening up. And if y'all can notice, this trailer has been moved. It's been knocked off the block. And it's damn near in the middle of the road. And the neighbors over here have a hard time getting their pickup out without damn near hitting it. It ain't my shit, but I'm gonna try to help out just cause the neighbors need. And you got some type of little lock up here. I don't know. But I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna back my truck up to it, throw the hitch on there, and see if I can move it. If not, I ain't gonna worry about it. Whatever the neighbors gotta do to get it moved out their damn way or whatever, they'll do. But from the jump, when Buddy brung it over here and parked it on the side of the road, I'm like, who the f parks a trailer on the side of the road? Especially one that they ain't gonna use. Like, this been here almost 3 years, ever since I've been working on the box. Shortly after I started working on Summer Rain, he brought this shit over here, but I'm about to see if I can get it moved. Up to me. Nah, she need to come up some more. Y'all see how easy it was for me to cut that lock. Them locks ain't worth a damn. That damn sure ain't gonna keep from stealing it. I cut that lock off with that die grinder less than a minute. 20 seconds, that shit was off. I think I'm gonna pull it up a little bit more because I want to have it out the way so we can get the rest of these leaves and shit up. So when they come, I filled that can up. When they come dump it, next time I fill it up with all this right here. Man, the more I think about it, I'm thinking I'm about to put it right here in the yard. This is where my aunt's truck was at. Alright, man, I got it up here, YouTube. Piece of work, dog. I ain't got no much experience with no trailer. I know y'all seen me fighting with it. Now, you can see straight down the street. Alright, YouTube. Let me give y'all a quick update, man. Since the last clip of me trying to start this car, I have made some decisions. And the main decision is I'm taking it to a shop. I'm tired of dealing with it. I'm gonna take it to a shop. So, what I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off right here after this update. Give y'all a quick little rundown what I'm gonna do. So, I still gotta do the brakes. I gotta run the brake lines. I'm gonna go ahead and order my transmission cross member. So before I take it to the shop, I can go ahead and make the transmission to it. So while it's in the shop, I get them to measure for my drive shaft. I know in the comments of the videos of me trying to start it, a lot of people were saying that I might need some extra tailpipe coming off the header. Then they said like 18 inches or something like that. Not gonna worry about messing with that. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the exhaust ran. So I'm gonna go ahead and order my X pipe. I already got some weldable V-bands, flanges, and the clamps. I already got them. I got a plug for this O2 sensor spot on this header. I got a plug for that because the O2 sensor on the passenger side header. I got a plug for this. I got the V-bands. I'm gonna go ahead and order my X pipe. The way I'm gonna get my tailpipes ran is it's gonna have V-bands off the headers, and then it's gonna have V-bands at the back, like right before it run over the rear end. That way I'll be able to drop it down if I have to do some work to this car. Cause I know in the future, I'm gonna want to upgrade the rear end, and I'm gonna want to get some work done to the transmission, get the transmission beefed up. But for right now, I'm throwing the transmission in there stock how she is. The rear end that's in there, I'm gonna leave that stock how she is. I'm gonna go ahead and order my brake lines so I can run my brake lines. I'm gonna put some stock. What rear end is up here? I'm gonna put some stock Impala calipers and rotors. I already got the brake pads. I'm just gonna grab the calipers and rotors. I might throw the calipers that I already got. I might put them back on there just for the time being. So just in case they do get it on operating when I take it to the shop. But yeah, man, I'm done dealing with it. I'm gonna take it to the shop. So those are things I'm gonna do before I take it to the shop. I'm gonna put the brake lines, I'm gonna run the brakes, get the brakes squared away. Go ahead and mount my transmission and everything, get that squared away. And I'm also gonna clean up my wires, get my carpet and everything put back in, get my center console and everything put back the way it's supposed to. And I'll probably just put the driver's seat in here for when it go to the shop. But other than that, I'm ready to ride. I ain't about to keep tinkering with it. I don't got it as far as I can get it. Know what I mean? Like, I don't try everything that's in my realm of doing. I don't try it. I'm not about to waste no more money. I'm just gonna take it to the shop, let them handle it. Now, initially, I planned on taking it to the shop anyway to get a tune, but I was hoping I'd be able to get it running at least first. But yeah, in the shop that I planned on taking it to, I've been on their website. it seems like they can do everything that I need done. So exhaust, tune, get it running. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, man. I ain't messing with this car. No, I ain't messing with the engine work no more, man. Like, I feel like I got everything dialed in. The reason why I'm taking it to the shop, because I just feel like it need to be tuned. It's been too many times where I'm starting it and she wanna crank. Like, you can hear it damn near crank, but she just don't crank. So before I get to taking shit apart, I'm not taking nothing apart. I'm gonna take it to a shop. I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna leave the engine work alone. Up under here, about button up. Got a few little wires that need to be taken care of. Once I get it from the shop, I get rid of them if I don't need them. But yeah, that's where I'm at with it, man. I just want to give y'all a little update, because I know the beginning of this video, well, in this video, I don't know, I'm still editing, so I don't know how far this part gonna be within the video. I might cut it short and just put this in there, let y'all know what it's gonna be, and that's that. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna mess with it no more. Not the engine. I'm gonna go ahead and get my brakes and everything squared away. I already got the front brake calipers and pads. I just gotta get the brake lines, get the rear brakes. Yeah, tidy up my rear end, get that rear end situated to the point where it can operate correctly. Yeah, man, that's what I'm gonna do, man, because I'm not about to keep messing with it. And once they get it running and figure out what's going on with it, when I get it back, that's when we'll finish doing what we gotta do to it. Finish putting all the interior in and stuff like that. But until then, to the next episode, man, I ain't messing with the engine no more. I ain't even trying to get this baby running myself no more. Like, I don't took it as far as I can take it. I ain't messing with it no more. And that's that. Know what I mean? So, man, yeah, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update of what I got going on and what I got planned for that. Know what I mean? Yeah, I know y'all keep seeing the front of this. Oh yeah, and it's official. Your boy don't start taking customers, so be looking out for the video coming on this too. It's go time, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe, dog. Y'all already know it's go time. But yeah, man, I appreciate all the info that y'all gave me, all the help that y'all been giving. I tried. I don't got it as far as I can get it. Time for me to let somebody else take it. Cause I'm ready to drive, man. I'm ready to bend some corners. I'm tired of playing with it. It's show season, know what I mean? So that's where I'm at with it, man. Summer Rain is officially going to somebody's shop. Yeah. So I'm gonna take it to get tuned, and hopefully they can get it fired up after they tune it right. And that's gonna be that, man. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.